Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing one common mistake that people make in Excel that wastes so much time. I'll also be sharing a simple trick that can save time in Excel and make your work much better. Let's dive in.
In this video, I'm going to correct some common Excel mistakes. This is the data set I want to use for this demo. This is the data set for an expense plan, and on this data set there is serial number, item, quantity, price, total price, discount value, amount, net price. Then I have this total here. Assuming I want to solve the price for these two items here, not solve the price in these figures, or solve it and I want it to appear, the sum to appear here. I just have to type in, I just have to do this one. I'm going to drag columns in one. Let's do this one. Drag columns in one. Then on the menu bar, click on formula, on this formula tab. Then I'll click on auto sum here. I'll click on sum. The sum that is calculated here. Then to get the sum for these other values, I don't need to do the same thing again for these other values or for these other items. I just have to hold this handle here, yes, and drag it down. Along with it. Just have to hold this handle here and drag down. Now, Excel or confuse it, look at it. Excel or confuse this other thing for me. So, this is just what you need to do. Just do the first problem, then hold down, drag down the fill handle and allow Excel or confuse it for you. When you be trying this, try it and thank me later.